Hello everyone, today I will show you how to upgrade your PlayStation's 500 GB hard drive to a larger capacity, such as 1 TB, 2 TB or even 8 TB, depending on what you choose to buy. Once you decide on the capacity, the first step is to make a backup of your data. If you are a PlayStation Plus member, you can store in the cloud, but if not, you can do the backup through a USB drive. Next, disconnect the USB and connect it to your PlayStation. Then go to the settings and select Save Data Management. To copy the information to the USB storage device, sometimes you may encounter a prompt that you need to accept. With this option, you can manually select game data, including photos and videos. Then select Copy to start the process. If a warning appears, select Approve to all and click Yes. Now the copying process will begin and you will see the estimated time. Once the copying is complete, return to the main menu and power off the PlayStation. Disconnect all cables, including the power and HDMI cables. Next, remove the cover where the hard drive is located, being careful not to break the tabs. The hard drive is secured with a screw. It's interesting to note that you can see the logos of the PlayStation buttons on the hard drive. Afterward, press and pull the cover to open the hard drive compartment. Now, remove the screw to take out the old 500 GB hard drive. Take the new 2 TB hard drive you recently acquired. Make sure it has the correct specification to fit into PlayStation 5-inch format, SATA type, a thickness of 9.5 cm and a speed of 5400 RPM. It's essential that the size is appropriate to fit into the PlayStation. Reassemble the PlayStation with the new hard drive and carefully press it until you hear a creak, indicating it's securely in place. Replace the screw and then compartment cover. Connect the HDMI and power cables and turn on the PlayStation to verify that everything is working correctly. At this point, the system will prompt you to connect the controller. Once everything is recognized, you will need to install the software. For this, you will need a memory stick with at least 1 GB of free space, and you should have previously downloaded the software from the official PlayStation website. Place it in a folder called PS4 on the memory stick and within that folder create another one called Update. It's important that everything is in uppercase letter. Remove memory stick from the computer and connect it to the PlayStation. Start the installation of the operating system following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, the PlayStation 4 will automatically restart. After restarting the system, we'll continue with the system installation, which will be faster. This will happen 2-4 times. Finally, the PlayStation logo will appear and you can start the language and internet setup. Check that the new hard drive is correctly installed and with its increased capacity. Go to settings, then storage, and there you can see the total amount of available storage, which in this case is 2 TB. Now, to retrieve your information, go to Application Save Data Management. Select Save Data on USB storage device and choose Copy to System Storage. From there, you can start transferring your data. I hope this guide has been helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.